Hey everyone, so you've optimized your LinkedIn profile. Awesome. If you haven't, please check my other video. But now what? How do you actually use LinkedIn to land your dream jobs? So in this video, I'll cover how to find job openings effectively, the art of connecting with recruiters and professionals, engaging with your network to get noticed, and how to follow up after applying to give yourself a competitive edge. If you want to land that dream job, stay till the end for the bonus tip on leveraging LinkedIn Learning to boost your skills. First, let's talk about finding jobs. Use LinkedIn's Jobs tab. It's way more powerful than people think. You can filter jobs by location, experience level, and even remote options. Set up job alerts for roles you're interested in, so you're always the first to apply. Recruiters love speed. And here's a pro tip. Look for jobs posted in the last 24 hours. This is when you're most likely to stand out because fewer people have applied. Okay, let's talk about networking. When you send connection requests, don't just click connect. Personalize your message. Here's a template that I've used. Hi, a name. I admire your work in a field or company. I'd love to connect and learn more about your experience at a company. Or if it's a recruiter, hi, a name. I'm really interested in the position at the company and would love to connect to learn more about the opportunity. The goal is to be genuine. People appreciate effort. Now that you've started building your network, it's time to engage. Don't just lurk, get active. Like, comment, and share posts from people in your industry. For example, if someone posts about a new project, leave a thoughtful comment like, "This is such a great idea. I'm curious, how did you approach a specific challenge?" Engagement puts your name in front of key people. Plus, it shows that you're active and involved. If you're actively job hunting, don't forget to use the Open to Work badge. It's a signal to recruiters that you're available. You can even choose to keep it private, so only recruiters see it. Make sure your job preferences are also specific. This helps recruiters find you more easily. Here's a step that many people miss. Follow up after applying. If you've applied to a job, find the recruiter or the hiring manager and send a polite message. Something like, "Hi, a name. I recently applied for the position role at a company and wanted to express my excitement about the opportunity. Please let me know if there's anything else I can provide to support my application." This shows initiative and keeps your name top of mind. But don't overdo it. One follow-up is enough. Finally, let's talk about LinkedIn Learning. Of course, this is a premium feature, but it's packed with courses to boost your skills. Whether it's Python for software engineers, SEO for marketers, or leadership for managers, there's something for everyone. And also don't forget to add completed courses to your profile. It shows recruiters you're proactive about growth. That's how you use LinkedIn to not just find jobs, but to actually stand out and land them. Remember, optimize your LinkedIn profile, connect with the right people, engage thoughtfully, and finally, follow up after applying. And don't forget about LinkedIn Learning to keep growing your skills. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more career and personal branding tips. Also, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to hear how these strategies are working for you. Drop your LinkedIn profile link in the comments and let's start building your dream career together. Till next video. Bye.